Leo, did you get lots of stuff?
Yeah.
Tell me what you got.
I got 2 books and a Make Fun book and 4 puzzles.
4 puzzles. Holy. Anything else?
And a connected dots book and a blackboard.
And a blackboard. What's this thing?
And a remote controller, manual classes, and a Tommy classes, and an alligator sound.
Cool. Did Bobby and Wendy send you a present?
No.
Oh no, they must have forgot, eh?
Oh.
I don't know, but you got lots of other ones, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, what did you ask Santa for?
Bike and some toys.
Did you get the toys?
Yeah.
Where's the bike?
I don't know.
Oh, I guess we didn't get one, eh? Maybe next year. But you got lots of stuff, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I eat some of these?
Can you help me at the front room? In the front room, I need some help. I need some help. I think we have to clean up the garbage in here. What is it?
A bike.
Who's it for?
Lee.
Look what it says. From?
Lee.
Who's it from?
From Bobby and Wendy.
Oh, look at it. Awesome.
I got a bike.
How do you feel?
Happy.
Woo! Hey! You got a thumbs up for them? Yeah.
How can I move around?
Well, we got a bike, take it to the park.
What?
Whoa, that's awesome, buddy.
I can't go with no socks because they're hard.
Well, we'll take it outside, no sweat. Merry Christmas, dude. Say Merry Christmas to Bobby and Wendy.
Merry Christmas. It hurts with these.
Well, let's put on some shoes and we'll go cruising. How do you feel?
Okay.
Woo!